Can you hear me? It was a power cut. So electricity just gone, it come back again. And at the meantime, the live has gone. Okay. I took a buy over there. My stop loss was just below this order block pin threshold. I got a stopped out over there. This is a loss. Here, what I have done wrong. I just marked the wrong inversion fair value gap. I marked this one, and that was the what is having fair value gap, that was the obvious one. If it can close above this one, then it should not be broken. So I didn't wait for this one. Instead, I just focus on this small price action over there. I used this as my inversion fair value gap. Instead of that, what I should do over there for the 22 YT model, I didn't get it. I waited. I just pushed my button from this inversion fair value gap, which has created before the news, and I got stopped out over here. Is that a perfect setup? Absolutely not. This is not a perfect setup. This is just a setup probability until this low. If you remember, so until this low, that was a probability. Market didn't reach until that area. Instead, it tapped to this fair value gap, this specific fair value gap, and then it is falling. When it is falling, am I willing to take sell? No, I'm not going to look for any kind of sell. Even if it fall and take this sell side liquidity, I will let all of them go. The reason is this is one-sided price action. In Tuesday, I don't like this one-sided price action. See the way it is falling, I don't like this fall. I am not able to chase this price as it is not the expansion day. Now, if it keep falling like that way, I'm not able to chase that price, and I won't be able to look for a sell. I won't be able to take the selling opportunity. So I will only go for the buy. If I get another buying opportunity, I will go for that buy. Otherwise, I'm not interested to take sell even if it keep falling. From 15-minute chart, as you can see here right now, price is over there. Just let me make it a little bigger over here. Right now price is over here. It is trading this fair value gap over here. This is the only fair value gap which is valid. At the same time, which is so obvious or clear, something like that. At the same time, all of this price action is very messy around that area, because I have thousands fair value gap over here. If I see this type of thousands fair value gap, I actually go to hourly chart and I try to find out some kind of hourly fair value gap around that area. So as you can see, I have the hourly chart here, and in hourly chart, as the same thing is in hourly chart as well. That means in 50-minute chart I have lot of fair value gap. In hourly chart also I have lot of fair value gap. If I have this lot of fair value gap in hourly chart, what I go for 4-hour chart. Seriously brother, you told that you don't look for 4-hour chart. If and only if the hourly chart and the 15-minute chart is the messy, then and only then I go for the hourly chart or 4-hour chart to see if there is some kind of obvious things or not. So here I can see this 4-hour bullish fair value gap. I would love to see this bullish fair value gap can hold the price, send it higher again or not. So this 4-hour uh, bullish fair value gap is important for me right now. I'm using this 4-hour bullish fair value gap to look for the buying opportunity from 1-minute chart. Why? Because 15-minute chart is messy. From uh, hourly chart is messy. Everything is messed up. So I need more higher time frame. If I don't see something cool from 4-hour chart, I will go to daily chart, and then I will look for the daily fair value gap to look for another buying opportunity. Why I'm looking for the buy? The reason is it is not the expansion day. So if it keep falling, I won't be able to look for sell. As I took that sell, though I forced the market to give me that setup, I agree with that, but at the same time I'll go for one more time to look for buy. If it keep going higher, I'm very happy to catch that buy. I'm not interested to look for sell even if it keep falling and take this sell side liquidity. That is my logic. Now when I will be able to push my button, if and only if price can close above this new day opening gap high. See this new day opening gap, no sell is valid below this no buy is valid below, from below the new day opening gap. So I will wait over here to see if it can break this new day opening gap high again, and if it shows me any kind of interest to go higher. If it do that, I'm very happy to look for that buy. Otherwise, no, I'm just not interested to look for sell. Even I'm not going to push my button in this morning session at all. I will wait for the PM session and I will start to look for any kind of opportunities around that area. Right now I'm watching this price, how it is trading this 4-hour bullish fair value gap. Again, why the 4-hour bullish fair value gap? From 15-minute chart, I have lot of fair value gap. From hourly chart, lot of fair value gap. So what I'm looking for, 4-hour chart. Watching this fair value gap around that area before the market structure shift. Even if I had the market structure shift over there, I wouldn't go for that buy from the below of this new opening gap high. So I am just marking this fair value gap and I'm watching this fair value gap. Can it hold the price, send the price higher above this candle high, and can it close above that candle high or not? Because if it can close that candle high, that is my order block. I would love to take another buy depending on that order block until some kind of buy side liquidity. From 1 minute chart, all I can see that market has, here it has the obvious buy side liquidity. Over here, this is the obvious buy side liquidity. So this is my buy side liquidity, and I'll try to take some partial around that area, this last parabola from 1 minute chart. So here, this is the last parabola where I will try to take some partial. I would love to push my button from that order block until this low is not taken. Where is going to be my stop loss? Just below this order block. If it can validate that order block, that means one candle will close above this order block, then I will see this one. Now brother, how can we avoid the losing trade around that area? Wait for 22 YT model. If you wait for the 22 YT model, I promise you brother, 99% of the time you will be able to avoid the losing trade. I promise you brother. So if you want to trade, you can go for that 20. If you want the perfect entry, then you should wait for the 22 YT model. Why I'm not pushing my button from this parallel gap? Because this is below this new opening gap. Either way, even if that was the 22 YT model, I wouldn't push my button from that parallel gap because this is below this new opening gap. All I'm watching, one candle close above that high. If it can close above that high, tap to this high, I'm already in the market. My stop loss will be below this order block. Okay, and this is my last opportunity to take buy. If I get stopped out this time, okay, it didn't close above the high, so it is not valid as a order block yet. If I failed here as well, I'm done for the day. That means when I keep telling you that, you have to know when you should stop. That is that things. If I take two loss, I'm going to stop over here. I will wait to see that. Do you think the whole M session is PO3 for the week? No, I don't think so like that way. The whole PM session should not do that. I mean, whole morning session, it should not do that. It has already reached too far. It has already reached too far. I am not interested to see it will keep falling for something. Okay, I really don't want to see that. It can do that. Even if it has done that, I'm not interested to take that buy. This is not valid as a order block yet. One body has to close above that high. Then and only then this is going to be valid as a order block. Until then, it's not valid as a order block. Again, this is not a high probable trade setup. I will catch that run because it is logical to me. That doesn't mean this is the high probable trade setup. It is a probability, not possibility. Obviously, that is a probability. So keep that in your mind. If another body can close below this body, if another body can close below this body, then I'm going to mark that specific candle as my order block. Until now, this high is my order block. So I would love to see it will go through this high and it will use this high as a order block and it will keep going higher. So let's see if it can close above that one. 8 7 6 5 4 3 2. Okay, it didn't close at all. We'll see. If I miss it, I'll miss it. But hyperbole trade would be only after our market structure shift. Yeah, absolutely, brother. That is called high probability, and that setup should create above the new opening gap. Okay. After this trade, if it is a losing trade, I will push one more time my button because here I'm forcing the market. Okay, so I don't want to complete like this way. I will wait for the perfect setup and then I'll push one more time my button. Let's see if it can close above that high. 7 6. Okay, it is reaching too far. I don't like it. I didn't like it. Okay, so I'll use that high to see if it can come back again here or not. Is it the inside setup? No, it's not the inside setup. Why it is leaving that order block like that? Uh, it's a very tough situation because it is making an parallel gap above the order block. That means it can trade until that area, then it can close this parallel gap, then it can go higher again little bit, then it can fall again. It is kind of low probability. The high probability is, I mean, depending on that order block, high probability is one candle will close, very next candle tap to this order block, it will keep going higher. So let me check if it can come back again to this area or not. It reached too far. Okay, that is the thing. I'm really, oh man, seriously, now I'm going to miss this trade. What happened again? Oh man. Hmm. Again, if I get stopped out over here, because as you can see my stop loss is too tight, I will go wait for the perfect setup. Okay, so this is a probability. Okay, I have to mark the body to body for the main threshold. This is the main threshold. I don't want to see anybody close below this main threshold. Here, this is the main threshold. I'll wait for the perfect setup and then I will go one more trade, just one more trade. If I get stopped out over here, my stop loss is just below this order block. You can see one tick below this order block. That is my level. Body should not close below this main threshold. One body has closed, the very next body should keep going higher and closed above this main threshold. I'm okay with that. It has been rejected from the, what to say, I mean, this new day opening gap, upper quadrant 75%. At the same time, 4-hour chart consonant crossband, it should keep going higher until a certain level. What is the certain level? Here, some kind of buy side liquidity or the low of this area. So here, this is my buy side liquidity. I would love to see it will keep going higher for that. If it doesn't do that and stop me out before going higher, yeah, I'll wait for the perfect setup and then I will go for one more time. So these two time I force the market and then I will wait for the perfect setup. Got stopped out, two times got stopped out. No more pushing button without the perfect setup. If and only if I get the perfect setup, I'll push my button one more time. This is the morning session. I told you that this is only valid for trading paper money. I'm doing the paper money. You can say, brother, why you are not looking for sell? Because sell is not logical to me. I'm not interested to look for sell. I'm only interested to look for buy. Because of the price action, I will be chopped up over here. Lot of time I'll be chopped up. this is the thing I keep telling you guys. After holiday, the morning session is the most difficult area to trade. The morning session is the most difficult area to trade. That's why if you would love to trade around here, you have to trade through your paper money, not the real money. From the PM session, market is going to be very, very beautiful. Why you are not looking for sell? Because that is not logical. I should not look for sell. It is not logical to me. I'm not interested to look for sell. You want to take the sell for being profitable, go for that. Later when you will come and then I don't know what to say. I consider this trading against the trend. Today I don't see the trend is my friend. Today is Tuesday. Tuesday is not the trending day. Why it is doing that? Because of holiday. That's why this morning session is low probability for me. I'm not interested to trade in this morning session. This fall, you go and check the Monday. Monday should not work like that way. Sorry, not Monday, Tuesday. It should not work like that way. I can't go for that trade. Okay, not you don't need to go much before. Just go and check last Tuesday. After big fall, market how beautifully it has reversed. Just go and check the last Tuesday. Let me show you. If I'm not wrong, it was the last Tuesday. Here. Okay, yeah, that is the Tuesday. Okay, what happened over there? Look, whole day market was falling until 10, until 9:45 market fall. See the falling, then market reverse again. This is called Tuesday price action. And today market is keep falling, keep falling. Let me show you another Tuesday. Okay, let me show you another Tuesday here. Yeah, this is the Tuesday. This is 15-minute chart. Don't get confused. If you go to your 1-minute chart, you will see different type of pricing. What happened? Market fall until that area, went higher, fall again, went higher again. This is called the manipulation. It is not falling the way it is going higher. See here, this is not the price action from Tuesday. Let me show you one more time. Here, this is the Tuesday. Where is the Tuesday? Yeah, this is the Tuesday. This is that Tuesday where ICT was talking about the price action, and he told that I'm not interested to look for that trend, one-sided price run. This is one-sided price run which I'm not going to expect in Tuesday. In Tuesday, I would love to see this type of price action. If it doesn't create over there, I'm not going to trade in Tuesday. I'm not interested to trade in that Tuesday. Give me some more time. I'll show you that how it will multiple reverse. Because this is not the price action in Tuesday. Tuesday is not the trending day. At the same time, after holiday, the morning session is forbidden for me to trade. I'm not interested to trade the morning session, at least not with my real money. I'm not interested. I'm only interested to push my button to paper money. At the same time, if you want to get the winning trade, then wait for the perfect setup. What is that perfect setup? 22 YT model. After taking the liquidity, if you get the market structure shift, go for that trade. Okay, so everything is over here in front of you. Last week I told that last week is gonna be my last week where I will only go for the perfect setup, and from this week I will start to look for the price action again. So I'm here every day. You will see a lot of losing trade from this week. So if you want the precision, you will get that from last week. This week is gonna be the teaching only, as I'm going to stop uploading video except the daily recap. I am going to stop every other video, upload every other video. So the teaching is going to be done from my live session. I'm not looking for sell. I'm only looking for buy. To remove the 4-hour fair recap as it's broken. All of this run, I'm not convinced. I'm not feeling good to see this fall. So I will push my button one more time if and only if I get another perfect setup. So here this time I'll go for the perfect setup, not some kind of forcing market or some kind of pushing button because of the inversion fabric or something like that. I'll just go for the perfect setup. Until now, When market started fall, there was no market structure shift, value gap, immediate reaction, market went higher. No setup. That is called our perfect setup. If it keep falling, I keep telling that I'm not interested to push the button. Okay. Did not trade any value gap order block. How can this be an order block? This has traded. Why I this one? This one has traded this value gap, brother. There was a value gap. So 1020 candle. I didn't mark the 1023. I just marked the 1020 candle as my order block, which has traded the fair value gap. Let's wait a little more time. Again, at the beginning of today's stream, I told that today's morning session is not a trading area. If you wanna trade here in this morning session, you are a gambler. Don't gamble. I told that, okay? So make sure that you are listening to me, whatever I'm telling you. Except Friday, I don't say like that way because Friday is a low probability for me. Otherwise, every other days is high probability for me, except there is no huge news like CPI or something like that. Brother, I have just seen the bullshit 50 handle stop loss streaming. Man, I'm not agree with that. It's big stop loss. I'm not agree with that. Even if I take a loss, my stop loss should be very small. Okay, because if it doesn't take, I mean, if it doesn't follow this price action, it is not going to stop to take that low. Why you are going to put a stop loss below here? Well, you know, if the min threshold is broken or this break order block is broken, sorry, this one order block is broken, it is going to take that low. That is for sure. Why you should put your stop loss over there? That's bullshit. You will take the losing trade, it's okay, but that doesn't mean your stop loss should be 50 handle, 60 handle, something like that. I really don't like that. Yep, 17 to 20 handle is perfect. I can take a loss. Nothing wrong with that. Taking loss is the part of this game. But the stop loss should be very small so that you will have another opportunity to take entry. That's all. Now, as you can see around the Asia session, how beautiful the price action was. Around the London session, how beautiful the price action was. Now, around this AM session, you can say, brother, if I take a sell, I'll be profitable. Tell me where you want to push your button. Just tell me exactly where you want to push your button. I want to see that. For sale, okay? Even if it is falling, how it is falling, look over there. Don't think it's a very small area. Here to here, this is 57 handle. From there to there, 60 handle, okay? 50 handle, 60 handle, 60 handle, something like that. So every retracement is a huge retracement. So where you want to push your button and where you should put your stop loss, let me know that. Even if it is falling, if you think that this parallel gap is the parallel gap where you should take the sell, where should be your stop loss? At least above that high, right? At least above that high. How much is going to be the stop loss? 39 handle. I'm not going to take that entry, I'm sorry. So though it is falling, still there is no selling opportunity. I will wait. After the AM session, look, after 9:30. So there is your 9:30 here. This is your 9:30. Just look at this price action, brother. Feel it. Just feel it, man. How beautiful it is falling without any opportunity to take sell. And I'm not looking for sell. then why you push your button over there? That was a possibility, probability, not high probability. There was a probability. I would love to take just the winning trade, then wait for the perfect setup. What is the perfect setup? After taking the liquidity, market structure shift, fair value gap, just wait for that. You will get your opportunity. I'm not willing to show you the winning trade only, because this week is gonna be just the study week. We are only allowed to trade uh, Tuesday PM session, Wednesday morning session, then again after Friday 8:30 a.m. That is the only time we will be able to trade our real money. Outside of this time, no real trade is valid. It's my request to all of you, brother. Ask yourself, it is falling, but did you see any selling opportunity over there? Any kind of selling opportunity, even though market is falling. First, first of all, you are not allowed to push a button before 10 because you had the PMI news around that area. After PMI news, just ask yourself, do you see any sell around that area? Be honest with yourself. Someone got to Tanya chat, ask ICT to come here. I'm blocked. Oh man, why you are blocked? Someone got to Tanya chat, ask ICT to come here. I'm blocked. Oh, okay, you just told that and you got blocked. Perfect, man. Our runs are some people's stop loss crazy. Our stop loss is unknown to most traders. Yep, it's true. Our stop loss is always unknown to most of the traders because it's too precise. There is a selling opportunity, bro. I don't see any selling opportunity, brother. You tell me where was your entry. Just let me know that. Kenyan name. Tell me where do you want to take yourself. Facilitate the new day opening gap and there was a selling opportunity at the fair value gap. Which one? Just tell me the time frame. This one you are talking about, this one, this fair value gap. Which one you are talking about? Market is falling, right, brother? I'm asking you, especially you, Kenyan name. For example, you didn't take that entry, that selling entry, and you can see that market is falling. Tell me why, when you will look for the another selling opportunity, or if you see another selling opportunity, let me know that exactly where you will see that selling opportunity, and tell me where is going to be your stop loss. I will push the button according to your analysis, and I will push the button over there. Sorry, I will put the stop loss over there, and I will take that in just by yourself. Because right now after effect it seems like that okay, it perfectly trade the lower portion of this parabolic cap, now it is falling. It's very easy to say after effect, but until now there was no opportunity to take sell. Here was the same parabolic cap. See this parabolic cap here, it didn't work. Went higher. No parabolic cap went lower, where it went higher. Then it has made this parabolic cap, and you are seeing the selling opportunity over there to this parabolic cap. I'm not agree with you. SMT with ES. No, it's not a selling opportunity. If you think this is a selling opportunity, I don't agree with you, because here, if you take that sell, your stop loss has to be at least here, and in my opinion, it should be above this new day opening gap. The reason is market can reach until that new day opening gap. Even if you would love to put it over here, not here, just cover the stop loss, just cover that fair value gap. Still, that is 29 handle. I'm not trading 29 handle. Where is going to be your target? Maybe there, this new opening gap low, at least this new opening gap low, at least here. For 29 handle, I'm not agree, so your stop loss should be there, here, because market can trade the whole fair value gap before falling. So 39 handle, I don't trade like that way, brother. If my stop loss is like near about 20 handle, I am agree with that. Here this 20 handle, I'm okay with that. But here stop loss, putting stop loss is not logical. You have to cover the high of the candle which is which has traded this fair value gap, I mean which has made this fair value gap. So at least you have to cover the high of that fair value gap. Okay, guys, if you want to trade, I recommend Tom Hogwarts. After the first 5 minutes of the market opening, he decides to on his trade. Okay, as you know, it all comes down to statistics and probabilities. If you stay consistent, you will see results. Trading doesn't have to be complicated. Don't fight. Okay, thank you. But when you know what you are looking for, you can enter an aggressive sell there if you understand price action well. That's why I ask you, brother, outline another selling setup. Just make another sell setup or buy setup, whatever you say. I will push the button according to you, because what you are telling, it is illogical, because you don't know. There is no reason to take sell over there because it is at the level of the 50% of that new opening gap. If you mark the constant encroachment of that new opening gap, it is at the level of constant encroachment of that new. See here, no way to take the sell around that area. If you think that you know what is going to happen, then tell me another, outline another setup. I will push my button over there. I'll put the stop loss over there. Wherever you tell, I will put it over there. It's my request. Okay. Yeah, I'm waiting. Actually, as per ICT, I am not interested to take that sell. It's one-sided. One-sided price action in Tuesday. Don't trade around that area. Absolutely gambling. Don't do that. Ready, 1, 2, 3. Why are you here and not watching Tom? To whom you are telling? I guess Batuhan. I told you, if it is one-sided, keep falling. I'm not interested to take the sell. I'm not interested to chase the price. It is called chasing price. One day you will be profitable over here. One day you will blow your account. I'm not interested to do that. Why I pushed my button? Just to observe, just to study this price action. Here there was no setup. If I get the perfect setup, I keep telling this is the high probability trade. Go back and watch my previous stream. Over there I keep telling high probable trade entry, high probable trade entry, high probable trade entry. Right now I am not seeing any high probability still now. Whoever is taking sell over there, I am requesting you, brother, don't let me know that, because you are gambling. Whoever is taking sell over here, don't let me know, except Kenyan name, because I want to push the button according to his setup. So except Kenyan name, please don't let me know if you take the sell, because you are gambling. I promise you, brother, you will blow your account. You will see a lot of people, famous people, they will take sell around that area, and then they will catch that huge run. That huge run, catching that huge run is called gambling, because the next day you will see a lot of losing trade. Okay. FX, I don't have anything to do over here, because you can see that market is falling. So I really don't have anything to do. What can I do except reading the price action? I'm not getting angry. You can see that I am telling Kenyan name to outline another trade, because I really don't have anything to do. As market is falling, I'm not interested to chase the price. I have nothing to talk about here. It is falling. I am just watching the price. That's all. I'm just watching this price. Nothing at all. As I told, as I took 2 entries and it didn't work. First of all was the inversion fair value gap entry. Second one was the order block entry. It didn't work. Perfect. I told that I will push one more time, and that's gonna be the perfect entry. If I get the perfect setup, I'll go for that trade. If I don't get any perfect setup, I'm not interested to trade anymore. I'm not interested to push the button. So here I'm waiting for the perfect setup, and the perfect setup will be only the bull setup, no sell setup. Selling is gambling over here. Here you go. FX, no trade is valid in this morning session. So I know that you have a lot of account. Please don't push the button this morning session. Every entry in this morning session is gambling. Don't push the button around this morning session. Everyone is in rush. They are trying to chase this price. Don't chase the price. It's my request. From the PM session, you will start to trade until tomorrow's morning session. Then again Friday 8:30 am. No price action here. There is no precision. In this price action, there is no precision. Nothing. I can't even outline the selling opportunity over there. I mean, it didn't respect anything. I can explain. Okay. Thank you, FX, for understanding, brother. Okay, Batuhan trying to get some interested people. So if anyone is interested about that guy, what is his name? Tom Hoggard, I guess. Trader Tom or something like that. He's doing some kind of advertisement. Please don't do that. Otherwise, I will just block you. Okay, brother? Please don't do that. I'm a very small YouTuber. Okay, I have only my family member over here. Everyone you are seeing here, everyone, all of them are my family member. Don't take them from me. Go somewhere else where you will see a big crowd. Okay, 3,000, 4,000, 5,000 people, and tell them to join Tom Hoggard or whatever he is. Don't do that, brother. Everyone here wants to learn the price action. In the 1 hour and 4 hour chart, please is likely to trade up to the sell side liquidity. In the 1 and 4 hour chart, please price is like to trade up to the sell liquidity. So after that, we start looking for buys now. So you think that market will go higher now? Okay, if it start to go high, you will tell me, and I will outline. I mean, I will push my button over there. Okay, I'm going back to 50-minute chart because I don't need those time frame. You will just tell me, and I will push my button over there. Though I am also waiting for the buy, but either way, I will outline the trade by your direction. No hate, brother. Just I would love to do that. That's all. Okay. Can I block him, please? No, you can't block him. Don't block him. Let him go. He will unsubscribe and he will go back. He'll actually go. Okay. Is buy valid under the new day opening gap? No, brother. It's not valid under new day opening gap. It's not valid before 15-minute bullish fair value gap. Until 15-minute bullish fair value gap, no buy is valid. You can take a buy, for example, from here to until this new day opening gap low, or from the new day opening gap low to until the consonant crossment of that new day opening gap, or from the above of the new day opening gap consonant crossment to until the high, or above the new day opening gap high to until this buy side liquidity on this fair value gap. No buy is valid until a 15-minute bullish fair value gap. If there is no 15-minute bullish fair value gap, no buy is valid. If market keep falling, I will let them go. I'm not interested to take sell. That's all. We don't need more experts here. Okay. Yes, after it has taken sell side liquidity, but the market gets choppy when it reaches the sell or buy stops. Okay, you will just tell me whenever you will see the opportunity. Just tell me. I will, because I really don't have anything to do except waiting. As I'm waiting, I can just read. I mean, I can think about you guys how you are thinking about this price action. Okay, so if anyone has any opportunity or you are thinking that now market is going higher or market is going to fall, tell me. I will outline or I will see this thing. Okay, I want to learn from you guys. So if any of you are thinking that market is keep falling or thinking that market is going higher, though I'm not going to talk about the price action right now, what I'm thinking, I'm not talking about this right now. Just I am going to stop to think how you are thinking the price action. So if anyone has any observation, any kind of settings, I mean setup over there, you are seeing this setup, let me know that. It's a request. Every single of you, please let me know that. Is it going to fall? Is it going to go higher? Tell me. If you wanna block me, it's fine. I'm just trying to explain. No, no, no. Kenyan, he didn't talk about you, brother. No, it's okay. Outlander, just let him. No, no, it's okay. I thought you were talking about that guy, part two, something like that. No, Kenyan, it's okay, brother. It's okay. Everyone has the right to talk about their thinking, how they are going to think. So it's okay. Just, just let him talk, okay? Let him talk. And not even Kenyan, everyone, just everyone. Tell me if you think uh, there is a selling opportunity or buying opportunity. Let me know. I don't have anything to do right now. I have nothing to talk about this price action, man. Try to understand this part. I have nothing to talk about this price action right now because market is falling. When it is keep falling, I have nothing to talk about. If when market will start to give me the precision, I will start to talk about the price action. I will avoid Kenyan names comment or any others comment. I will start to avoid their comment. Right now, I am just waiting. Okay, I'm just waiting. So when I'm waiting, I would love to read your comments. Just don't write any negative comment. It's my request. Accept the negative comment. Let me know your thinking, what you are thinking, how far market can go, how it is going to reverse. I need to talk to you guys. Okay. So Outlander, please don't block him, man. Oh man. Okay, Lord FX, you are thinking that market is going to clear the previous week low. That's good. That's good. That's good. That's good. Perfect. Previous week low. Let's see, brother, if we can do that or not. I don't see any normal MSS. There is no nothing. Until now, I don't see anything in this whole price action from 10. Where is 10? Here is 10. And from the 10 to until now, not even a single opportunity to take sell. Not even a single opportunity to take buy. So until now, I don't see anything very good. So I'm not in rush. I'm just watching this price action to see how far it can reach. Okay. If it takes that sell side liquidity, I will show you something. But after taking this sell side liquidity, I don't want to see that. But if it takes that sell side liquidity, I will show you something. Okay. I will look only for long below the daily low. The school man, I'm also waiting for the buy. If you really want to know what else I look at, put the 30 EMA on your chart. I don't believe in that. I have already traded lot of things. Uh, I mean, I don't have any value to them. Okay, Mark the Shark. I'm sorry to say that, brother, but EMA I don't use them, and I don't believe on them, not anymore. Interested in long from 15-minute buy side liquidity on the ES and 15-minute rejection block. Waiting for more structured setup than entry model. So you are also looking for buy. That's perfect, man. I'm also looking for the buy. We are at the same page. That's cool, man. Thanks for the penguin, Mark the Shark. 19141 could be a reaction level, but if it goes below, it goes to next daily fair value gap. 189k. What did you say? 19141 could be reaction. Okay. Okay, so you're thinking the daily fair value gap reaction. Okay, okay. That's cool, man. Let's talk about the weekly profile. Oh, right now, weekly profile. I don't know. I don't think so. It's important because uh yeah, it's not important right now. It's gonna be important in Friday. NFP week is the hardest week to trade. That's all I can talk about the weekly profile. Does the daily have a maximum that it can fall? Does the daily have a maximum that it can fall? I didn't understand your question, brother. Remember this sell side liquidity. If it takes that sell side liquidity, I will talk about something special over here. But if it, I don't want to see that. I don't want to see it is going to take that sell side liquidity. This is the last fair value gap. It has been rejected from the low or the consonant crossment at the from the top. How do you see this thing around that area? It has been rejected from the top of this fair value gap. Okay. Anybody is thinking that market is going higher? Anybody is thinking that market is going higher, brother? Okay, but I don't use the retail concept. Okay, mark the shark. I don't use the retail things. So I asked about the ICT concept. So I asked for the ICT things. I think that's I should go wash tractor and make it pretty well. I'm waiting for something. Lol, okay, we are in Q3 session, so market should go up. Okay, whoever is thinking that market is going higher, let me know right now. Don't don't just come back later and tell me I that was a buying opportunity. Who is thinking that market is going higher? Let me know that. Let me talk about this price action. Market has been rejected from the top. Now market is rejecting from the consonant crossment. Tap to the consonant crossment. It is rejecting from that area. Okay. So whoever is thinking, I'm asking you again. Whoever is thinking that market is going higher, let me know that. Don't just come back to me later and then tell me I was thinking it will go higher. Okay. So just let me know. Just write it down me. Okay. I would love to remember the name. It's me. Okay, me higher one version. Okay, better entry. Okay. I'm not looking for buy. I'm watching this fair value gap as a trough fair value gap. Maybe to the next 50-minute fair value gap, but it's going down. Yeah, I agree with you. Numbers. I'm watching the same thing. I want to see it will fall again. This should be the trough fair value gap. I'm not looking for the buy. Okay? But I'm seeing that some of you are waiting. I mean, thinking that market is going higher. They wants to take the buy from there. In my opinion, this is not the buying opportunity. If I wants to take a buy, I will wait for a 50-minute bullish fair value gap. Without 50-minute bullish fair value gap, I'm not interested to look for buy. What can happen? It can trade maybe until this low of this new opening gap, until that area, or maybe this 50-minute bearish fair value gap. Maybe, though it is low probability to trade that 50-minute bearish fair value, it's a low probability. But it can reach until that area. Can very rare possibilities, but it can go over there before falling again. So I'm not watching this one as a buying opportunity. I'm seeing this is a selling opportunity. So what type of selling? Something like that. I'm watching this like that way. Why, brother, you are looking for buy? For taking a buy, I have to wait for a 50-minute bullish fair value gap. Without 50-minute bullish fair value gap, no buying is valid for me. So let's say I'm buy till 220. Okay, let's see, brother. So some of you has taken that buy, though I don't know exactly how you took the buy, but yeah, it's okay. Maybe your stop. Where is your stop loss, guys? Let me know. And 220. I'll put it around that area. See here. I just think that you put your button over there to this area, though it didn't trade that fair value, but yeah, just for example, it taped over there, and that is your target. Let's see. Serious. Yeah, I'm thinking like you, brother. Serious. I agree with you, brother. I'm thinking the same like you. I'm also waiting for one bullish fair value gap become inversion fair value gap, take entry to sell. Absolutely, brother. I'm also thinking like the same way. I want to see it is going to work as the inversion fair value gap, and then it will fall for the sell side liquidity. Though I don't want to do that, I'm not interested to push the selling of button, but I'm not interested to look for buy from this fair value gap. I'm not interested. Okay. I want to see a displacement down, immediate close, the upside. What do you mean by that? Why you are watching that fair value gap as a trap fair value gap? Because after a lot of fall, see this fall, after a lot of fall, suddenly market went higher. Look at this fall. Lot of people are seeing this is a displacement, market structure shift, lot of things they are seeing over here. That's why it is the trap fair value gap. Lot of people are thinking that now market is going higher. I'm not thinking this is a displacement. I'm thinking this is a liquidity taken. This is the liquidity taken. Market has taken all of this liquidity. It can reach until this 15-minute bearish parabolic gap. I'm telling you again, it can reach until this area, which is low probability. 95% sure that market is not reaching for that parabolic gap. It can tap to the low, though it is also the low probability, but it can reach until that area. I don't know how far it will go higher. I really don't know. But how far it can fall until this low of this bullish parabolic gap, until the low of this bullish parabolic gap, that is more obvious to me. Okay, 12 point on that long entry, one inversion move, a stop right tight on the 5 minutes. CB stopped out for 12 handle. It's okay, but still you got the 12 handle, man. Buy now, bro. uh, Buy now using paper. Okay, where should be my stop loss? Tell me the stop loss. I took the buy because you told me. And where should be the stop loss? Tell me the stop loss. Kenyan, tell me the stop loss and tell me the target. Just tell me the price, okay? Where I will put my stop loss, where will be my target. Just tell me the price. I think you're talking about this water block. It's okay, but tell me the price, okay? Where I should put the stop loss and where I should put my target profit. Kenyan went to Kenya now. No, no, he is there. No, I want to know it from Kenya. Kenyan Kenyan name. I want to learn. I mean, listen it from Kenyan name. And the guy who take the entry, and his target was 222. Sorry, 220. I hope that he'll be great. Okay. Stop loss below the bullish order block and take profit 50-minute order block. So here, sell limit, that is your target, and below the bullish order block. Can you tell me the price, brother? Where is the price? What is the price where I should put my stop loss? Just tell me exactly which one you are talking about, the order block. Are you talking about this one? If you are talking about this one, I'll just put it over there. Then if I'm wrong, then let me know. Okay. Sell stop. Sir, yes, I'm just outlining his trade. I mean that Kanyan's trade, and I would love to see if it works or not. Though I don't trade like this way. 19180, 19180. Okay, okay. I'll just put it over there. Okay. So that is my stop loss. Do I need to take a partial, brother? Let me know that. Should I take a partial anywhere? You think that I should take a partial? Something like that. By the way, I will take the sell if it can break this parabolic gap. Okay. I'm only looking for sell. No, I mean, I'm not going to take that entry, but I am waiting for the sell. Okay. I'm not thinking that market is going higher. It can reach until the new opening gap low, which is low probability. 95% possibility market is not going to trade even the low or this bearish parabolic gap from 50 minutes at 95% possibilities. It is my opinion. So okay, buy stable idea right now. I agree with you, brother. Buying is absolutely the worst idea. I just outlined this trade because I was asking him to frame another setup, because you have to I have to understand that my viewers are getting something or not. 19240, 19240, 19240 is going to be my stop loss. I mean first partial. Okay, 19240 there, here. Okay, so That is the first partial. Perfect. So that is his trade. I would love to see. Okay. Now let me outline my price action here. I'll just put that on. See this up close body close candle. I'm watching this one as my order block. Now this order block will work or not, I don't know, because this is the turtle soup order block. But I will see if it work or if it can work or not. Okay. So over here I'm watching this up close body close candle. Can it stop the price? Send it lower again. At the same time, I will look for this parabolic up over here. See this parabolic up around that area. I'll observe this parabolic up. So it will trade this order block as it has traded the open of that order block. I'm going to mark the open. So this is the order block. I would love to see if it can break below this parabolic up or not. I'm watching the price action right now. How far it can reach until the 50% of that week. It is my expectation again until the 50% of that specific week. That is it. That should be its last line. If it closes above this consonant crossband, I'm not interested to look for sell anymore. I will wait to see if it wants to trade the 50-minute bearish parabolic up or not. If it can close above the consonant crossband, here I would love to look for that parabolic gap over there from 15-minute chart. So this is the 15-minute low, which is a low probability for me. It should not reach until that area, that 15-minute bearish parabolic gap. As I can see, it has broken over there. I'm not interested to push my button. I will wait to see that if it can fall again or not. The turtle soup things, I really don't know how to use this one, but I will use the inversion parabolic gap. I'm not interested to push the selling button, but I am interested to see if market can fall again or not. How can I look for the buy? If and only if the 15-minute chart make a bullish parabolic gap, then and only then I will look for the buy. Otherwise, I'm not interested to look for buy. So everything over here, I'm seeing just a fake breakout. Market went higher, take that high, it has taken again, it has taken the liquidity. It will fall. That is my belief. I'm not interested to push my button. The way Kenyan name has taken that buy, or he has outlined that buy. If some of you are thinking that market is going higher, please go for that trade. Either way, I'm not interested to trade in this morning session. I'm not believe that I don't believe that market is going higher, at least right now, before making the 50-minute bullish parabolic gap. If market can make the 50-minute bullish parabolic gap, yeah, then I will start to frame the buying opportunity. Until then, I'm not interested to look for buy. Every time market will go higher, I'm seeing this is a fake breakout. So market went higher first, take the liquidity, went higher again one more time, take that liquidity. Market should keep falling. We will see that this order block is broken, so I will wait. And this parabolic gap, I'll keep it. At the same time, I'll observe this parabolic gap as well. So this parabolic gap, okay. I will observe this two parabolic gap now. Can it make any of this parabolic gap as inversion parabolic gap? That is my expectation right now. Okay. Trends, you should contact with Cizo Saz. He's a Nvidia lover. To be honest, man. Kenyan name was right, lol. Robert D. Sons. It's not about right or wrong. It's about the thinking. I wanted to know how how my viewers are thinking. Okay, what I'm teaching and what they are thinking. It's all about that. It's not about right or wrong. I'm also bullish. I'm not interested to take buy right now because I have to wait for the price action. That's why I'm not pushing my button because of buy. Okay. Here I'm not seeing this is a buying opportunity. I'm seeing this is the trap, something like that. Trap, something like that. So I'm not interested to look for buy until price make a bullish parabolic gap from 15-minute chart. If market can make a bullish parabolic gap, then I will be interested to look for buy. Otherwise, I'm not interested to look for buy. So far, market has traded that bearish parabolic gap. It's cool, nothing wrong, but it is low probability. Market doesn't need to trade that bullish parabolic gap. It doesn't, sorry, bearish parabolic gap. It doesn't need to trade that one. It has traded that bearish parabolic gap. Perfect. There is nothing wrong. Okay. I would love to look for sell only, not buy until the 15-minute bullish parabolic gap. That's all I wanted to tell. Okay. Check is in queue, so I watch. Okay, that's another buy signal. Buy. Too late, don't buy. Oh, okay. So you thought that there was another buying opportunity. It's okay, brother. You just outlined one trade. It's okay. That one trade is cool. So the partial is something like there. I would love to see the partial. 29 handle. It's more than enough. If you can take that 29 handle, it's more than enough. It's more than enough. Okay. I would love to see this is going to work as an inversion parabolic gap over here. Let's see. I will wait for that. If I want to take a buy, I will wait for a 15-minute bullish parabolic gap. Without 15-minute bullish parabolic gap, no buying is valid for me. It is all the trap. First of all, whoever took the buy from there, I really don't know how did you manage that buy, because there was no buying opportunity, to be honest, because market didn't trade that parabolic gap. So maybe you take close approximately entry. It's perfect. So there was another opportunity, I guess, from some somehow there was an opportunity to take the buy. It's okay. We'll see. Okay. Let's see the candle can close below this inversion parabolic gap or not. I want to see this will work as an inversion parabolic gap, and it will reach at least until this parabolic gap. Okay. So at least until the 50% of that bullish parabolic gap, which is untraded over there. No, I don't want to take more buys, brother. You have outlined one trade. That's okay. I will just keep that over there. Okay. And I will see if it can reach at least until the partial, because I see that it is 29 handle. It's more than enough. I want to see it will work as an inversion parabolic gap. That means it will tap to this parabolic gap. It will keep falling until the 50% of that bullish parabolic gap. So it tapped over there. There I would love to take a sell if I were looking for a sell. Now I am not looking for a sell over here. My stop loss is going to be above that high because it's still 14 handle. See, just 14 handle. It's okay. So until that area, that constant and constant, that is logical to me. Where I will take the partial if I get an opportunity, then this is going to be my partial here. This is going to be my partial. I'm not interested to look for sell again. Guys, don't get confused. I will just outline because of the price action. Everyone is thinking market is going higher. That is a trap. Every single one is thinking this is retracing now. That is a trap. Don't fall into that trap because market is not going higher. It is actually falling. Don't fall into that trap. How can you avoid that trap? By waiting for the 15-minute bullish parabolic gap. Simple logic, brother. Just 15-minute bullish parabolic gap. If you see a 15-minute bullish parabolic gap, perfect. Go for the buy with confidence because you know market should go higher. You know that. So you should wait for a 15-minute bullish parabolic gap. Even if it keep going higher, don't take panic. Don't get panic. Because either way, if it keep going higher, it is going to make the 15-minute bullish parabolic gap. I'm not interested to take sell. I just outlined this one because if I were looking for a sell, that was a selling opportunity for me. From that inversion parabolic gap to until at least the 50% of that bullish parabolic gap. Okay, until that area. I don't want to see any body close above the constant crossment of that inversion parabolic gap. Constant crossment, not the high. Above the constant crossment of that inversion parabolic gap. Nobody should close above the constant crossment of that inversion parabolic gap. Weak can go little higher. There is nothing wrong to trade until this candle. It can do that, but don't want to see any body close above the constant crossment of that breaker inversion parabolic gap. At the same time, this is my breaker block. Now it's not the breaker block yet. When price will close below this line low, then it is going to be my breaker block. Right now it's not the breaker block. Don't get confused. Right now it's not the breaker block. If one candle can close below this low, then it will be the breaker block. It can come back again to trade this water block as I told, but I want to see the body close below the 50% of that inversion parabolic gap. That's all I want to see. You are wrong, brother. Body has closed above the constant crossment. Yeah, I can see it. I want to see if it is the fake breakout or not. That means one candle close above that consonant cross band, the very next candle close below the consonant cross band of that fair value gap. It is acceptable. That is acceptable. Either way, brother, this is low probability. This whole morning session is the low probability. Don't force the market, trade in this area. Okay, observe the price. That is the best opportunity. Don't force the market to trade in this area. It should not close above the consonant cross band. That is the perfect thing. But now why it has closed above that consonant cross band? Maybe market will go higher. I can be wrong. Maybe market will go higher. But if it was a normal price action and maybe market wants to fall, then it is illogical. It is illogical. Why? Because it is after the morning session. Look, one body closed above the consonant cross band, next body closed below this consonant cross band. What is that meaning? This is the fake breakout. This is the fake breakout. I want to see a bull bear candle, long bear candle, which is going to close below this low. Exactly this candle? No. I want to see some bear candle which is going to close below this low by that candle or by next candle, or it can keep consolidating until 11:30. Until 11:30 it can keep consolidating. I don't want to see another body close above the consonant cross band of that inversion parabolic curve. Another body close above this consonant cross band, it is a low probability. So all you would love to wait here to see body close below this consonant cross band. Now guys, I'm not reading your comment right now because I'm watching this price action. So I am just watching this price. I'm not going to read your where the body closed. Look over there. Where the body closed at the level of the consonant cross band. Absolutely okay. I'm absolutely okay over there. It should not close above the consonant cross band because one body close it is fake breakout. Another body close confirmation of the breakout. First, I would love to see body will close below this one. Then you will see body will close below these lines. First, it has to break this one. Then it has to close below that line. Why these lines are important? Because that is the low of that breaker block. See this breaker block low? It has to make this breaker block as a valid breaker block. Right now it is respecting this one. Why? Maybe it is killing the time until 11:30, though I don't want to see that because 11:30 candle should reach until the consonant cross band. 11:30 candle should come over here. Does it need to close below this one by this candle? Absolutely not. First, I want to see one body close below this parabolic gap. That is my first expectation. The next candle should close below this line. Here, this candle, it should close below this line. It should close. If it take the liquidity, keep going higher. Oh man, I'm in a great danger. It should close below that line. If it doesn't close, you will see the bad price action after the morning session. Okay. When it will close below this line, this is going to be my valid breaker block here. Okay. This specific candle should close below this line because otherwise it's gonna be the liquidity taken. Oh, actually, my mistake. My mistake. My mistake. My mistake. My mistake. Here is the low. Sorry. I thought this one is the lowest low. Actually, this is the lowest low. So yeah, it can actually wait little more time. It can do that because it has already made the liquidity. Look at this support zone. Oh man, market is now going higher. No, it's not going higher. It is going to fall. Wait. Just wait. It is going to fall. How far? Until the 50% of that fair value gap. See this fair value gap until at least the 50%. But you have to take the partial to the top of this fair value gap. Why? Because this fair value gap can hold the price, send it higher again to make the consolidation completed. Okay. This candle should close below this. I mean, at least below this breaker block. If it closes below this line, I'm very happy to see that. Very happy to see that. This fair value gap should not be broken. This fair value gap should not be broken. Look at here. This is called the precision. But I didn't expect this type of precision after the holiday morning session. I don't want to see this type of precision. By the way, guys, whoever new here, don't think that I took that entry. It was I have outlined that trade because of one of my viewers. Okay, he was thinking like that way. That's why. So don't just think that I took that buy and it is going to be a losing trade. So I didn't take that entry. Okay. Okay. I don't want to see a body close above this fair value gap. See this fair value gap? I don't want to see any kind of body close above that fair value gap. I don't want to see that. I'm watching this volume balance over here. See this volume balance? I'm watching this volume balance. What I need to see, one body close below this low. That is all I want to see. Why? Because it has taken the liquidity. I'm not convinced. This liquidity taken, I'm not convinced because it is a random level. This is a random level. I want to see body close below this line. That is my next objective. Okay, right now this parabolic gap is broken. I'm happy to see that. I want to see body close. If the body didn't close, I'm in a great danger. No, I don't like these things. I don't like it. It should close. It should not close above this parabolic gap. I don't like this. Fake breakout? No, I don't agree with that fake breakout as well. I'm not agree with that fake breakout. What else do I have over there? I have the order block. Still, I didn't want to see the propulsion block should be traded right now. It has traded that propulsion block. See this highest up close body close candle which has traded that order block. This is the propulsion block. It has traded that propulsion block. I didn't want to see that propulsion block traded. So let me mark that propulsion block and order block things. I didn't want to see this thing is going to happen right now. Here, this is the order block. It came back again to trade that propulsion block. I'm not happy to see that right now. This is the propulsion block. It is logical, but I wanted to see it will leave that open until this certain level. When it didn't do that and trade that area, that means it's a long-term bearishness. Long-term bearishness. Sometimes you will see that I mark, I want to see unfilled, something like that. Okay. So let him fall actually until the constant crossment. I need the speed right now. Not right now. After it can take 2 minutes, 2 more minutes until 11:30. So 11:30 candle can fall dramatically. 11:30 candle. So it can take little more time. I'm watching the 50% of that propulsion block now. So let me mark the 50% of that propulsion block. Body should not close above the 50% of that propulsion block. So this red line, it should not close above that 50% right now. As it has traded that propulsion block, I didn't want to see that, but as it has traded that propulsion block, my next thinking is this I mean the mean threshold of that propulsion block. I want to see it close below this line. Still this line is important for me because it has taken the liquidity. See this low, it has taken the liquidity. I am not agree with that liquidity taken. Can it reverse now? Absolutely it can reverse now. It can make, I mean it can keep going higher. Is that your expectation? I would love to see that, man. If it can happen, and then if it can make a bullish parabolic gap from 15-minute chart, oh man, that is my area to trade. But really before that, the price action is telling me market is falling for this parabolic gap until this parabolic gap. The price action is telling me. But if it made me wrong over there, I want to be wrong over here. Though I won't be wrong over here, I know that market is falling. It is for sure. But I want to be wrong over here because in that type of situation, I will be able to push my button. Okay. Okay guys, I will just take a little break. I'll take a little break for 2 to 3 minutes. Okay, let him hit that area, but remember it can reverse from the high of this parabolic gap as well. It is also possible from the high. It is also possible. So the next candle should keep falling dramatically. I'll be back within 2 minutes. This is called price action. You have to understand what market is doing. Now, you don't need to be right over here, but the thing I told you, do you got that point, brother? Do you got that point? Why you should wait for a 15-minute bullish fair value gap? Did you get that point? Here, there was no buying opportunity. If this candle could tap to this fair value gap, yeah, that could be a buying opportunity. That could be a buying opportunity. But it didn't tap over there. Either way, it should not go higher. This is all trap. This is my trap fair value gap. I want to see it will close below this fair value gap. That is my another opportunity to take sell. I am not interested to take sell, brother. Okay, I'm not interested to take sell, but buying is only valid if there is a bullish fair value gap. So make sure that you are not in rush. Here, if you look for any kind of buy right now, you are gambling. Please don't do that right now. Okay, not here. I'm talking about right now. If there is any kind of possibilities you want to take buy, you have to wait for a bullish fair value gap. Why? After that big fall, just one candle, why you are thinking that market is going higher? After that big fall, can you see the fall? Why you are thinking market is going to fall? Don't think like that way. Why it is going higher? To trade this breaker block. See this breaker block, it is validated by this specific candle. It is valid breaker block. Can I take a sell? No, I can't look for the sell. Why? Because my bias is not bearish, my narrative is not telling me to go for the sell. But if I were looking for a sell, this is my sell over there. See this specific candle, this is my sell. Where I'm going to put my stop loss? Above this inversion fair value gap. Where is my target? Until this fair value gap high. See this high, that is going to be my, until the constant encroachment, but it's okay. Until that area where I'm going to take the what to say, the partial around that area. Again, I'm not looking for sell because my narrative is not telling me to look for sell. Make sure that you understand that part. If you don't understand that small part, everything is going to be, that what to say, I don't know what to say. Right now, this breaker block should hold the price. How far market can reach? Until this inversion fair value gap. That is the last line market can reach, until that inversion fair value gap. Then it will fall again and take that low, at least that low. By the way, it has traded this unfinished business, has finished already over here, that constant encroachment when it has been traded. What market can do? After 11:30, after 11:30, I'm not leaving. We're all here to. No, no, no. Please don't say Kenyan is wrong or I'm right. Okay. No, it's not about that. I mean, losing trade is okay. It's absolutely okay. So please don't tell him anything. I asked him to outline a trade. I asked him. So please don't say something very, very something like that. Okay. Everyone take the losing trade. Losing trade is the part of this game. Are you listening? Outlander. Okay. Guys, please stop this thing. Please stop this thing. Oh, let me remove this one. It tapped to this 50%. Now it is going higher. Are you looking for a buy now? No, I'm not looking for a buy. Why? It is after 11:30. After 11:30, most of the time price do the distortion, time distortion. It seems like market is going higher. I'm not interested to take the buy. Why? I didn't get the bullish fair value gap from 15-minute chart. I will wait for 15-minute bullish fair value gap. First, I have to wait for that. That's for sure. Every single time you will see this type of buy move, that is a trap. This is a trap. Don't fall into this trap. I'm watching this candle says this week 50% now. Here, this week 50%. Right now I'm watching this week 50%. Can it break that 50% of that week? If it failed to trade that constant encroachment of that week, oh man, that is kind of very big weakness. A lot of weakness, brother. This breaker block didn't work. I told you, my narrative is not telling me to look for sell. I'm not interested to look for sell. Every kind of sell is gambling. I'm not interested to gamble over here. I'm only interested to look for buy. When I will look for buy, if and only if the 15-minute candle can make a bullish fair value gap, then I will start to look for buy. Otherwise, no buying is valid. If you think this is a buying opportunity, go for that. I'm not interested and I'm not thinking that market is going higher. This is all trap. In my opinion, this is all trap. You understand what do you mean by trap? What is that? Let me clear all of these things, then it will be easier for me to talk about the price action. Okay, so here let me everything clear. But here, okay, so here some of you are seeing this has taken the liquidity, market structure shift, fair value gap, price tap to this fair value gap. Now it is going higher. If you think like that way, you are doing gambling. Please don't do gamble. It's my request. Please don't do gamble. I keep telling you something that you should follow. If you don't follow, I really don't have anything to say. This is all trap. It failed to trade the 50% of that week. What does it mean? That means it is extremely heavy. It is going to fall again. This is the part you should learn. Now, if it trade that fair value gap, then keep going higher. It's okay. I'll let him go because I know I'm waiting for 15-minute candle to look for a buy. 15-minute candle will make a bullish fair value gap. Yeah, I will start to look for a buy. Otherwise, I'm not interested to push my button over here. Okay. Okay, Kenyan. Just I mean, just stop this because I'm not looking for buy, brother. Okay, and I don't believe that market is going. Still, market is going higher. I don't believe that. Even if it go higher, you will be right perfectly, man. No problem. Be right. Okay. If you can be profitable without the thing I keep telling, like for example, bullish fair value from 15 minutes chart. If you don't need that on, you're good to go. Okay. So I'm just telling you my expectation over here. It is still the trap. So I hope that you will just listen to me now because I listen to you. And yeah, that's all. Okay. Yes, it is trap. 11:30 macro is active. Smoking buy stops above. Absolutely, brother. After 11:30, most of the time market do the distortion. I mean time distortion, something like that, until 11:50. So I'm watching this price right now to see if it can fall again. This fair value gap should be broken. It should close below this fair value gap. How do I know that market is going higher? Simple thing. 15-minute bullish fair value gap. Just that thing. You don't need anything else. 15-minute bullish fair value gap. I'm good to go for buy. I'm also looking for buy. I'm not interested to look for sell. Every selling opportunity is gambling. Whoever is trying to take sell over here, I outlined that sell over there. That was logical until that unfinished business. But still, that is gambling. Here, I would love to push my button from that inversion fair value gap. Gambling. Why market is falling? Because it is the trap. I don't know how to make it more clear to you, brother. Wait for 50-minute bullish fair value gap. Otherwise, you are in trap. Don't push the button even if it go higher. No, it should not go higher. If it wants to go higher, then it will make the 50-minute bullish fair value gap. Otherwise, it's not set up. You are just depending on the price action. You will see some famous people, they just chase the price. You know, they are going to be trapped over here. If they keep trading around that area, how many losing trade they will take, you have no idea, because they don't know what is happening over here. See this week 50% market failed to trade. What does it mean? That is small portion open over there. Look, very small portion. See this 50%. Let me mark a line over there. Here, okay, around that area. It didn't trade that on. What does it mean? It is extremely heavy. Why it is heavy? Why it is going? Where it is going to take that low? Why it is going to take that low? Because that low is the lowest low where people start to think that market is now going higher. This is that low. What is the most important area around that area? The 50% of that week. That is the most important area when market is falling. Even if you take and sell or something, like, I mean, I'm not interested to look for sell, but even if you look for sell, you should not hold your trade until the low. You have to take a partial to the rejection block. You have to take a partial to this rejection block. Then you can hold your trade until this sell side liquidity. My I mean, my point is over here. Wait for a 15-minute bullish fair value gap if you want to take the buy. How does it look like, brother? When it was going higher, some of you started to think, okay, this time maybe market didn't go higher, now market is going higher. No, it's not going higher now. It is the trap. After 11:30, this is the trap. How can I make that more clear, this logic? I really don't know. If you get my point, I'm happy. If you don't get it, I really don't know. See this fair value gap. I want to see market is not going to trade this fair value gap. I would love to mark this fair value gap. I don't want to see that market is going to trade that fair value gap. Why? Because that is telling me that market is extremely heavy. It is extremely heavy if it failed to trade that fair value gap. If it trade that fair value gap, what is your expectation? Market is not going to even touch the 50% of that fair value gap. The 50%, it is not even going to touch the 50% of that fair value gap. So its highest run can be below that constant constant of that fair value gap. I don't want to see that market will trade that fair value gap, not even touch that fair value gap before reaching until the 50% of that week. See this week? Before, very near, not exactly very near to that 50% of that week. Until then, it should not even touch that fair value gap. That's all, brother. This is the logic. If you understand this logic, this is how you will build your storyline. You are not going to chase the price. You are not going to depend on the 1 minute setup. What I'm telling you here, brother, it is my observation, my life observation, my hours and hours study. It is the result of that. So you have to believe me. If you don't believe me, then I can't help you. Trust me, man, I can't help you. I'm going to mark a line over there. Though I want to see it is going to take that line. Here. What is your expectation, brother? I want to see one body will close below this fair value gap. See this fair value gap? I want to see one body will close below this fair value gap. Then I will use this fair value gap as my inversion fair value gap until this sell side liquidity. Are you going to take sell? Absolutely not. Every sell, I will let them go. This is the hardest part, brother. Every sell, I will let go because this is against my narrative. Market should not keep falling today. Today is Tuesday. It is one-sided. I don't want to see this one-sided price run. So what you will do? The whole morning session, for example, it is not after the holiday. Whole price action, I'm not going to trade, man. Simply, I'm not going to. See where market reach? Very near to this constant and crossman. Perfect. Now can it trade this area? Absolutely, it can. Why you are not saying that market is going to tap to this line? Because I don't know market will go higher again or not. I don't know that. That's why I'm not interested to see that market will tap over there. My instinct is telling me that market is going to fall for this sell side liquidity, but I will be able to take buy only because of narrative, and for buying I need a 15-minute bullish fair value gap. If I get that 15-minute bullish fair value gap, I will start to look for my buying setup. This should work as an inversion fair value gap now. This should work as an inversion. How far it can reach? Until this fair value gap, but it shouldn't touch the 50%. Now it can touch the 50%. There is nothing wrong. Now it can touch because it reached until that area. That is the logical level. Very near to that constant crossman. Something like this. Very near to that constant crossman. Same thing over here. Do you understand this point, brother? It is called learning the price action. Deepest price action is all about your storyline. If you don't have the story, you have nothing. It is going higher, brother. No, it's not going higher. I want him to go higher, but I will wait for a 15-minute bullish fair value. By the way, how many likes did I get? 240 people are watching. I got 60 likes. Now I need some more likes before. I need some likes, okay? Please. It seems like very bad. I'm not doing the advertisement anymore, but if you go to my description, you will see there is some prop firm. If anyone wants to use that code T2 wizard, I'll be very happy. I'll be very happy. Okay. When the body closed, I mean we closed to the top of this inversion fair value gap. Perfect. I even didn't want to see it will work with the upper portion, but it is okay. Sometimes shit happens. Are you thinking that market is going to fall? I'm watching this order block now. This order block. Can it hold the price? Send it higher again for this fair value gap until this fair value gap. Why until this fair value gap? Because this is the unfinished business. It can reach until that area. If it leave this fair value gap open like that way, even if it didn't tap to the low, market is going to take that sell side liquidity. That's for sure. That's for sure. Okay. Whoever traded your real money today morning session, please don't let me know, because I told you that today's morning session is not for real money trading. It's for paper money trading. You will be able to trade from the PM session until tomorrow's AM session. Okay. Right now I'm watching this water block. Can it hold the price, send it back and until that area, or is it going to break this one and keep falling? If it can close below this, below this line, then the next target is over here around that area, this low. Again, I'm not looking for sell, so I'm not pushing my button over there. I hope that you got my point. Rana Imran, thanks for that love, man. Reversal trade can finish your all budget, mate. You need to many confirmation. Yeah, absolutely, Pamir. I agree with you, brother. For me, 50-minute bullish fair value gap is the first confirmation. At least one bullish fair value gap. That's all I need. At least one bullish fair value gap. That's all I need for looking for the buy, because it's a long fall. Can you see the long fall? After that long fall, you have seen one candle, and you are going to chase that candle. No, it's not right. You are not trading in a right way. So you should wait for that things. I hope that you have understood that the importance of the bullish fair value gap. If you still didn't understand, I have no word to say. T2, is this all ICT or you mix ICT with your knowledge as well? Brother, I just took the things from ICT. For example, I took the fair value gap from ICT. I took the consonant crossment of the week from ICT. I made the rules for me. For example, which week 50% is important for me. You can see in ICT's 2024 mentorship, ICT is using randomly he's using a lot of weeks, but my weeks are very specific. The week has taken all the liquidity and trade a fair value gap. I'm going to use only that week. Except that week, no other week is, I don't give the importance. Same way, fair value gap things, I take that fair value gap logic, but which fair value gap is going to be important, how I'm going to mark that fair value gap, everything is my observation, my knowledge. Inversion fair value gap, I have my own knowledge, but I'm unable to explain that things, because I can feel the inversion fair value gap. But as per ICT in 2024 mentorship, he talked about the inversion fair value gap when market has taken some buy side liquidity. That is kind of the inversion fair value gap. Still, he actually showed some other fair value gap, but I have seen that the highest fair value gap is the best for the inversion fair value gap. That is my knowledge. Order block, ICT talked about the order block. I made my own rules. Which one is going to be the order block? The perfect order block. Remember here, the order block, propulsion block, and around that area, everything I made by myself, by my knowledge. ICT never told where you should look for the order block. He just keep telling people are rebranding his order block theory. They don't know what is order block. But I am using the order block concept breaker. Look about the breaker block. What is the breaker block? I made my own rules for the breaker block. If I get that rules is met 100%, 95% of the time I'm right with my breaker block entry. So if you say that I'm rebranding, I'm sorry to say that, because ICT himself told that study my concept and make your own model. So I am using everything by my own experience, by my own observation. So yeah, I'm not using anything from ICT. But this is all I learned from ICT. Okay, so I don't know how to explain this thing. I learned about this fair value gap from ICT. I have made my own rules how to use that fair value gap. I learned about the order block from ICT. I made my own rules when I should look for the order block and how I can mark the order block. I learned about the breaker block from ICT. I made my own rules for that breaker block. Everything I made it by myself. Nowhere in this whole world, nowhere you will get that condition, precise condition. For example, the reversal pattern. Nobody will tell you about that 50-minute bullish fair value gap. Not even a single person you will ever hear that he's calling that things. I told you it is very specific. After a big fall, if you want to look for a buy, You have to wait for a 50-minute bullish fair value gap. Otherwise, every kind of buy run is a trap. It's a trap. Now, I don't know, brother, what to say. But don't think that I'm rebranding the things. Okay? How do you make the line appear when you draw a fair value gap? Just double click over there. See this style, middle line. Look, no middle line. See, middle line. You can change the dotted line or something. You can change the color if you want of that middle line. I'm watching this fair value gap as an inversion fair value gap. I want to see market will fall until this low. Okay, until here. It will fall until that area. Did I get some likes? Okay, I got 100 likes. Still I can see that 220 people are watching, but I have got only 100 likes. So give me some more likes. Give me some more likes, please. You are most welcome, Francisco. Any more question, guys? My question is, do you understand the importance of 50-minute bullish fair value gap? That is my important question. Give me the answer, please. Because deep, by the way, ICT and T2 is that T2 is shares everything he knows as he wants his students to be successful. Thank you, IS Precise. That was my first word when I have started my live streaming. I told that I will give you everything I know. I will give you everything I know, and then I got a comment over there. I don't remember the guy name. He told that every YouTuber tell that, and then they start to sell their course. I'm trying to give everything. Okay, I'm reading the price action, everything. Why I'm thinking like that way. So I don't know. I'm not a good teacher. I never teach anything to anyone. But I'm trying my level best. Okay, I'm just trying. Why I'm talking this bullshit? Because it is very near to 12 p.m. I'm not interested to talk about this price action right now. So I can talk about little bullshit, right? So that is the reason I tried my level best to give you everything. If you think that it's good, perfect. If you don't understand, then ask me. But don't force me to talk about something I don't talk. For example, Asia session, London session. No, I don't like that things. Today is the only day where I look for the previous day high and low. Previous day high and low. When the Monday low has taken, I will start to look for buy until the Monday high. That is my expectation. Still, I'm thinking that market will go higher. Still, I'm thinking like that way, that market will go higher. But for that, I need a bullish parabolic from 50 minutes. That's all. Okay, which ICT model we should study as learner? I have no idea to say that, brother. But 22 IT model is the best, in my opinion. 22 IT model, that is the best. 150 likes is equal to afternoon session stream. Man, I have done the AM session. I mean, sorry, the London session. I'm here in the morning session, and you are asking me to do the PM session as well. Man, I'm a human being, okay? Outland Attitude is the wizard of masters. Okay, you guys will start to troll me now. Please don't do that. Yes, I just washed my tractor too. Oh, okay, there is okay. Thank you, brother, for not trading in this area. I wanna ask AFX, did you trade, brother? If any of you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to give me the thumbs up. I'm giving you most valuable information over here. If you want to take it, don't miss that opportunity, brother. I'll make you the wizard of this market. It's my promise. I will let you, I will help you to understand this all price action, when and why market is going to that. You don't need to force yourself to learn these things. In time, if you focus and take some notes, little notes from my live streaming, you will be the wizard of this market. Inversion fair value gap until this low, it is open. What is going to be my trade? If I were looking for sell, if I were looking for sell here, 30 handle, brother. No, I'm not going to push my button. What you are going to do in this type of situation? If I were looking for sell, I will try to push my button from the consonant crossman, cover it until the 50%. 21 handle, still it's bigger stop loss. I'm not interested to push my button around that area. Or I will try to catch my entry from the from the 20 handle, so something like that, okay. And as you can see, it didn't give me the opportunity to take sell. Oh, actually it has given me the opportunity to take sell here, because this is the candle which has validated this inversion parabolic gap. So from that area I will only look for the stop loss, 20 handle stop loss. That is my maximum. So here something like that, okay. Either this is my entry or I'm not going to take that entry. What you are going to do, I'm going to take a partial over here to this constant crossman. Must be, it is must. I'm going to take the partial to the constant crossman. I will hold my trade either for this low or for this extreme liquidity. I never go for this extreme liquidity, but I actually trade until that area. I mean, I would love to hold until this trade, because this low should be taken. This low should be taken. Why you put your stop loss over there, brother? It never trade. You can put it over there, 700. No, it's not logical. The logic is you should cover the constant crossman, because even if market went through this inversion parabolic gap, it should trade until the constant crossman. I mean, it should fail to trade that constant crossman. If you are wrong to that specific concept, you will get stopped out, because this is the logical thing that should be used as a breakaway gap. You see, did it work like that way? The way I told him to work, did it work like that way? Did it trade that breakaway gap? No. That is my first priority. But if market is overzealous and trade that low, I mean that breakaway gap, it should not touch the 50% of that breakaway gap. Why? Why is that? This is the logic. It failed to trade that constant crossband. It is the whole Judas swing. Judas swing. Failed to trade that constant crossband of that specific week. It has shown me the weakness. Then market fall. Where is your first parallel gap? This is your first parallel gap. What should it do? It should work as a breakaway gap. What else do you are seeing here? Market has taken the liquidity. See, all of this buy side liquidity has taken. This swing low is valid for shifting market structure. I got the market structure shift over there. See this market structure shift over there? Market structure shift. Where is your first parallel gap or the entry parallel gap? There. See this parallel gap? This is your entry parallel gap over there. Where is your breakaway gap? This is your breakaway gap. What should you think? Market is not going to trade that breakaway gap. Even if it trade, where market should go at least until the 50% of that breakaway gap. So is my stop loss is safe over there? Absolutely. Now, brother, I don't want that. I want to be more conservative. Put a stop loss above the candle which has made this breakaway gap. That is your more conservative area to trade, because sometimes market close above, I mean market trade until the 50% and you got stopped out. What do I do in that type of situation? I wait to see price close again below this entry parabolic gap. It closed below this entry parabolic gap. I take re-entry over there until some certain level. Brother, it is going higher now. Oh, I don't think so. I don't think so. Can it go higher? Absolutely, it can go higher. That's why I talked about this partial. This 50%. See this parabolic gap 50%. That should be the partial area. Then you can hold your trade until the liquidity, but you have to put a stop loss to the break even. If you are wrong, you get stopped out. After taking the partial, you got stopped out. But it's not huge, brother. 29 handle. For example, just think this 30 handle. Isn't it huge for you? I'm sorry, brother. It's more than enough for me. I'm not a runner trader. I don't want to hold my trade for so long. So long. Okay. Okay, yes, just what. Okay, biggest difference is ICT is mentally sick, T2 is mentally sound and healthy fellow. Okay, don't say like that way. Have you been to Brazil? No, I never been in Brazil, but my dream is to travel all over the world. That's why I need all of you to earn 200k USD. Just 200k. If you follow whatever I'm telling, if you take the notes, I promise you, brother, I will help you to earn that 200k. That 200k. All you have to do is you have to stop copying my trade. Instead, you have to study whatever I'm telling, the logic. You have to study those logic. Okay. For example, around the PM session, the lunch hour. After 11:30, I don't trade. You have to write it down that after 11:30, I'm not interested to push my button. 11:30, I'm closed. I'm done. I'm done for that day. No more trade for me until, not for the day, until 1 p.m. 11:30 to 1 p.m. The most risky area to trade. The most risky area to trade. 11:30 to 10. Don't trade in that type of time frame. Please don't trade. Forex versus futures, which is good. For future is the gentleman market. It is the best. Forex is the manipulative market where most of the biggest trader, I mean who are the, you know, the, the most good trader, the best trader, they don't trade forex, they trade futures, at least right now. You are good teacher for sure. Okay, I didn't know that. I never teach anything to anyone. Also, I have a lot of mistake. I hope that you guys will forgive me for my mistakes. Wizard is a machine. I don't have the time for the PM session, man. I'm gonna close my session. That's for sure. Okay. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. By the way, if anyone is interested about the perform, you can see the $76 for MFF. Take Profit Trader, we have the 50% off. Apex has the 80% discount. Okay. Don't forget to use the code T2 Wizard. Brother, when I am watching you live, I don't trade. I love you, man. Don't trade around this area. What is your plan for live stream? Do you plan to stop when you get a job? It depends, brother. I mean, if I have the time, then obviously I can't stay without my chart. I'm a chart addict. It's been near about 6 years. I'm watching chart every single day. Every single day I'm watching New York AM session, New York PM session. If there is nothing wrong actually, then I keep watching this chart. So it's gonna be very difficult for me to stay without the chart. At the same time, I have to do the job because of, survival things. So the time is coming for me. It's very difficult, but I will try my level best to keep doing this stream at least for 2 hours. At least for 2 hours for the morning session. I'll try to keep doing these things. Okay. Good trading, bro. Thank you, Kenyan name. Okay, you the brother. Don't get hurt. Okay, by my word, Kenyan name. Please don't get hurt if I say something bad to you. But uh, I will request you to study the price action. This fall, when you talk about this sell from there, it's not logical to take the sell from there. You see this fall and it is perfect, but it is not logical. If you push your button out that area, that means you are seeing market is falling. You are actually pushing your button because of that. Don't do that. This is one-sided. If you don't know the narrative, then it's gonna be difficult for you to trade. At least for being consistently profitable trader, you will get chopped up in this type of situation, and market give this type of opportunity very rare, very rare. So you have to understand why market is doing that. What is the storyline of that? I was in the morning, sorry, London session over here. So if you the streaming is in my YouTube channel. So London session, please watch that London session. I talked about this price action, how to build an story. Please watch that London session. I think it's 1 hour 30 minutes, something like that. Not too big. So please watch that London session, today's London session. If you go to my live section from my playlist, live section, then you will see that maybe after before the last video, last stream, there's the London session. I talked about this price action over there. It will help you to understand how to build the storyline. Without the storyline, trading is kind of gambling. It's my request, okay? And if you think that you are still profitable, no need to watch them. Any of you think that you are still profitable, okay? You are consistently profitable. No need to watch. No need to change any kind of habit you have, okay? Brother, I bought Nvidia stock with some size. Lol, goodbye the deep opportunity. Okay, Mr. Look, I don't use the Nvidia because I don't need them. Sizosas is the one who loves that Nvidia. Okay, your chart junkie. Seriously, man? Yeah, I know a lot of lines over there because yeah, I will remove them, all of them. I'll remove them. Remember, until this low, I'm not convinced that market is going higher. Until this low is not taken, so I'm not still convinced that market is going higher. It can obviously do that, but I'm not convinced yet. How much pound you need to trade without any leverage inter, interference? How much pound you need to trade without any leverage? Million dollar, brother. Million dollar. Here, one contract value is $19,170. One contract value. So if I want to trade without leverage, I have to pay $19,170 for one contract. Every single tick, sorry, every single handle is gonna cost me that amount of money. Okay, it's all cool, bro. Thank you, brother. So you have been profitable for a year already. When will you do it full time as a job? I will never do that. I will never trade. Still, I have an account from the my forex fund. Not the challenge account, the real account. But I'm not interested to trade. That's why I kept it like that way. I asked them to make it as a free giveaway, but they told me that it is not possible. I have to trade. So I told him, okay, then give me what to do. But I'm not interested to trade that anymore. Okay, I'm not interested at all to trade in my life again. If I have the opportunity to trade through the real money, like I have million dollar, then I will start to trade without the levers. And but with the levers, I'm not. Good night, all. Happy trading. Thanks, T2 Outlander. See you, brother. I'm going to close at the, I mean, I'm also going to close. Okay, what do you mean by 200K? I mean that when you will start trading through the prop firm and you will earn 200K US dollar, you will withdraw that money from by trading. And if you think from your mind or from your heart that I helped you a little bit to earn that much money, then I will ask you, or you will in debt that you have to send me the plane ticket with some money, near about 10K, something like that. Okay, so you'll send me that money and the plane ticket. I would love to visit your country. Now you will say me selfish. Yeah, I'm doing all of these things just for that, because I have only one habit, and that is traveling. I want to travel all over the world. So far I have traveled near about 31 countries, but I want to travel all over the world. And that's why I need to make more profitable trader. If you can earn 200K, I believe that 10K, you are spending 10K for me, it's nothing to you, because when you are able to earn 200K, you know that you can keep earning the money. Always a pleasure, sir. You're most welcome. Chris G. Wish look, I just watched between trading and investing. Nvidia is more of a long hold. Okay, I'm also looking for buy, brother, but to be honest, there is no opportunity for buying. This morning session is the disaster. The better opportunity will come from the PM session. Good night, JD. Good night, brother. See you. Sorry, what's the green area we have here? 15-minute last parabola, but not this one. This is the last parabola from 15 minutes. Obviously, this is the last parabola. Okay, bye anyhow. Thank you, JD. Sorry, Jackie. Thank you, brother. Okay, I'm wrong. Sorry, I was thinking that market is going to take the low, but it has already taken the low. My mistake. Sorry. Yeah, it has already done its job over there. Thank you, Jackie. Thank you so much, man. I don't know why it is little different, but I was watching that low, but it has already taken over there, as you can see over here. Okay, so it has already taken. You can see the precision over there. I just marked it wrong way, so thank you, Jackie. Thank you so much, man. Will you start live from PM session? No, brother. I'm not going to do that. I did the London session, I did the M session. Now you are asking me for the PM session. I'm gonna cry, man. I'm gonna cry, okay? You are most welcome, Jerry Swag. T2, we have inversion parabolic instead of the inversion parabolic. Okay, I'm not interested to look for buy. I'm only watching the sell until the sell side liquidity. I'm not interested to push my button for selling, because that is illogical to me. that is chasing price. I'm not interested to chase the price. I will only look for buy if and only if market can give me a buying opportunity. Yeah, I'll go for that buy. Otherwise, I'm not interested to look for buy, and every sell I'll let them go. I'm not interested even look for sell. Okay. 52. Okay. Today we'll have a PM session on members. No man. So Isaac, I will do that in members only in Friday. This Friday. I need some time. Okay. I'm really so busy. I need some time. I need some time to breathe, man. We have also sell side liquidity at 19138.25. No, my sell side liquidity is over here. I am only watching this sell side liquidity. So if it can take that sell side liquidity, I'll say market has taken the sell side liquidity. Except this sell side liquidity, I don't see any other sell side liquidity. 1 minute sell side liquidity, I don't care. Okay. T2, I'm back now. Excuse you're late, brother. I'm going to close my session for today. Thank you guys for giving me the likes. Thank you for subscribe to my channel. Thanks for everything. Okay. There was a power cut, man. Yeah, there was a power cut. So it just went and then come back again. But at the same time, the streaming has gone. Oh, okay, perfect. Thank you. No problem, Jamie. Now for PM session, I'll be looking for long only after 50-minute fabric. Absolutely, brother. Absolutely. Just took the sell side liquidity. That's fine, man. It's okay. Okay. Okay, Jack, if it has taken the 1 minute liquidity, I don't care about that 1 minute, to be honest. But are you talking about 1 minute or 50? Let me check. I think you are talking about this low, 18.25. What type of sales liquidity you are talking about? Oh, okay, that relative equal loss. That relative equal loss. Okay, yeah, it is also cool. It is also cool. But look over here how it has worked with the lower portion of this bullish parabolic gap. See this lower portion of this bullish parabolic gap? That's a good sign that market will fall again. By the way, I'm not interested to look for sell. If there is a buying opportunity, I'll go for that only, and otherwise I'm not interested to trade. Okay. Yeah, that was a nice sell side liquidity. I didn't notice. See, Jackie, I don't notice a lot of things. What countries have you been? I'm in Portugal, brother. In Portugal. We took previous week low. The school, man. You are talking about the previous week low? I don't see them. Yes, is empty. Let me check. Yep, yep. Yeah, that is the SMT. You got the SMT as well. Perfect. Still no buying opportunity for me. Without 50-minute bullish fair value gap, I'm not interested. Even if it keep going higher, I don't care. I need the 50-minute bullish fair value gap to take the buy. Without the 50-minute bullish fair value gap, I'm not interested to look for buy. Titu, you are already in Portugal? No, brother. I am just trying to go over there, but because of my laziness and my all the problem, I know that when I'll be over there, then I have to do the job. I have to stop doing whatever I'm doing right now. That's why my mind is not telling to go over there. Oh man, it's very difficult. It's very difficult. Yeah, I'll be in Portugal maybe next week. I'll confirm the ticket next week. Yeah. So what you have seen that market has taken that low of that bearish, oh, sorry, bullish parabolic gap. The low has been taken. Now market is going higher. Perfect. Perfect. Am I looking for buy? Absolutely not. I need to see if there is a bullish parabolic gap. Then I will start to look for buy. But the every buying is gonna be very small range. Okay. Thank you guys for watching it. You have a job? No, I don't have a job. I will go over there. Then I will find out a job. Where are you from, Chitu? I'm from Bangladesh. Where are you from, Plug? I didn't see your name before. Plug. Yeah, I didn't see your name before. Where are you from, brother? I'm from Bangladesh, brother. I'm also going to Portugal near the end of the year. Francisco, you live in Portugal? Where are you from, brother? Man, I feel you. You have mastered trading so much. I will pray that you will have $1 million in the next 5 years, brother. Then you can trade without the leverage. Inshallah. Let's see, brother. Trading is not haram, but leverage is haram. I learned it when I learned it. I never knew that Leverage is haram. Okay, if I knew that, maybe I would never learn these things. I don't know. I don't know. I love that word. I don't know. Let's see. Market can go higher or not. 50 and stop loss. Oh man. I'm from Syria. Oh, okay. Abdullah, you're from Syria. That's cool, man. Let's t- let's 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 eat some paella. What is paella, brother? From USA, Texas. I have also been to 3 countries so far. Oh, okay. Francisco, that's cool, man. Why Portugal? Nice wine, weather, and crypto friendly. No, brother, because I was in Denmark at the beginning of my life. I mean, I went to Europe actually exactly to Denmark. Then I finished my masters from Denmark. Then I went to Portugal because I had no intention to stay over there, but I just went over there and then there was an opportunity. Okay, let me tell you the truth. There was an opportunity to make the papers. As I'm from Bangladesh, you know, we have a lot of restriction with the Bangladesh passport. So I went over there. Then my friends and the younger brother, they told me, brother, you can make the passport over here if you just do some kind of job, then pay the taxes over here. You will be able to take the Portuguese passport. I thought, okay, it's a great idea. Let's get the passport. Then I did everything and then I come back to Bangladesh. Now I'm near about 2 years in Bangladesh. I just go to Portugal, stay over there maybe 15 to 20 days, then I come back again to Bangladesh. I like that way. Okay. That was the reason for the Portugal, but I love the weather over there. Oh man, it's awesome. Especially the sea beach. Oh man, they're awesome. How is everything in Bangladesh now? Everything's cool, man. Where are you from, Plug? I'm your neighbor. Oh, okay, you're from India. It's cool, man. Got long setup 15-minute PC entry 1 minute. Okay, that's the part Ben Cruz I keep telling. Please don't tell me even if you take the entry which I'm not interested to do. I don't even let me know that. Okay, it's my request, brother. If you can make that buy and if you can what to say, I mean uh manage that trade perfectly, good. That's best, man. Stay over there, but don't let me know because otherwise every other people they will think okay we can also go for that buy, but it's not all about the buy or sell. That is all about the story. So that's why I keep asking you guys not to let me know if something I'm not watching for. Okay, Tito, are you a rich kid? My father has had a I mean my father has lot of money, but I'm very poor. I don't have anything. I have nothing. I have little money. I have to donate all of them because all of them I earned from trading near about 60-70K. I have to donate all of them. In me, for me, no, I have nothing. Just nothing. So you will come back. Yeah, let's see whether I don't know. No problem, Ben Cruz. No need to tell me sorry, but I hope that you got the point, right? Because when you will say that I took that buy and I closed it over there, maybe 40 handle. Some other people will think, okay, let's try. Can I do that or not? Then it is going to break everything I'm trying to do over here. I'm here to tell you that how to read this price action. Now you know how to read this price action, so that's why you are able to take that entry and you are able to close that trade in a certain level. But some other people who are new, they don't know how to manage that trade. Maybe they're very new. They will be inspired by you. I don't want to see that. Okay, so no need to be sorry, but if you can do that buy, trust me man, I'm really so happy. If you can, I mean with the logic, if you can take that buy, I'm very happy. For example, if you ask me, yeah, I'm also looking for that buy, same buy. Why? Market has already traded the low of this bullish parabolic gap, take that liquidity, went higher. When it closed above the inversion parabolic gap, constant encroachment, tap to this constant encroachment. No, I'm not seeing this parabolic gap or that parabolic gap. I'm watching this 50% of that inversion parabolic gap. I'll push my button over there until this 50% of that breakaway gap. Here I'll take a partial and I will hold my trade until this relatively equal highs. See this relatively equal highs? I'll hold my trade until that area. So this is my trading. That would be my trade. Now I'm not interested to influence you this type of things, because it is extremely dangerous. If you don't know what you are doing, you will blow your account. That's why I'm not interested to talk about this. I give you something very specific. What is that? Wait for 15-minute bullish parabolic gap. Even if you want to take a look for a buy, you have to wait for a bullish parabolic gap at least. Then you will wait for the perfect price action, perfect setup. If you get it, go for that trade. Otherwise, no trade. Okay. Okay. The ground freeze here, and you will turn into pop cycle here, bro. Okay, Jeris, are you from Portugal, brother? Are you from Portugal? Honestly speaking, I'm watching you from last week, saw some boom trades. I just felt you were legit and trying to learning from you and your channel. Oh, that's cool, man. That's cool. I'm from Bangladesh. Hey, Anas Jubair. Anas Jubair. Do I know you? Your name is too familiar to me. Anas Jubair. Your name is too familiar to me, brother. Do you know me? Brother, you said you like Portugal beaches. Be honest, you like beach or the ladies taking sun in bikini there? No, I don't like the foreign girls because they're too, no, they're, you don't call me the racist, okay? They're too white. I don't like them. I like the Asian girls. For example, the Indian, Bangladeshi, Pakistani. Only these three countries girl. I like them, but not the foreign girl. I don't like them. I have a lot of friends, okay, foreign girl. I have a lot of friends, but I don't. I have no feelings for them. How to say that? I don't know. But to be honest, it's okay. I don't want to see that idea either. I will not do it again. Thank you, Ben Cruz, for understanding, brother. Thank you so much, man. How we can get in time, Ben Cruz, in time. You are going to do that, brother. Trust me. I mean, the thing you are doing in time, lot of people will do that. They will take buy over there. They will take sell over there. They will keep doing buying, selling, buying, selling, buying, selling. Very small range. You guys are not going to hold one trade for 150 runner. You are going to take that buy from that inversion fair value gap constant crossment to until that area 18 handle. You will push your button over there until this see this constant crossment and this fair value gap high until that high. Not exactly this constant crossment until that high. So from this breakaway gap low to until this area, that's 17 handle. You will keep doing this type of things. What it is going to do, you will push your button over there until this constant crossment. See this constant crossment from the low to until this constant crossment. How many handle is over there? Let me check. From there to there, 14 handle. You are going to do this type of things, man. In time, all of you are going to do this, but right now at your beginning you will wait for the perfect setup. That's you are going to do, but in time you are going to do all of these things what I told so far. Here you are seeing one setup, I'm seeing at least five setup over there, at least five setup over there. Now all of them are like 12 handle, 15 handle, 20 handle, 13 handle, 10 handle, something like that. Here to consonant crossment, just how many handle was that? There to there, 15 handle. That is my trade. I will take lot of entries over there because all of this fluctuation, this is my area to trade. Market is falling, I'm not interested to catch that fall. It is called gambling. It is falling, let him fall. When market is in consolidation, oh man, this is my area. I'm gonna break this market in that specific area because I know what I'm looking for. Simple logic. By the way, guys, I'm in Dhaka. I don't know you, but I want to know you. Okay, you are from in Dhaka. Uh, yeah, seriously, brother, we'll meet one day, inshallah. When we are going to earn the 200K, we are going to meet everyone. Okay. Nah, US. Oh, okay, Jerry's Wake, US. I've never been in US. I will go over there. Send me the plane ticket very soon, brother. I wanna visit all over the world. What you are doing? You are waiting for my death, man. Seriously? When I will die, then you will invite me? Give me the plane ticket. Earn that money. 200K, not too much. It's very small money. Very, very small money. Earn that. Asian chicks don't like that way. Plug. Did I just start a controversy? Controversy, I don't know, but yeah, for me, Asian girls, they're so beautiful. For me, okay. I'm not a racist, but it's all about the feelings. Oh, brother, you are wrong. Market didn't reach until that 50% of uh that travel gap. So you are absolutely wrong here. Okay, you are absolutely wrong. You told that you are going to take your sell over there. You're holding your trade around until the 50% of that area. I told that I will take a partial over here. Okay, that is my partial. I'm not done yet until the 50% of that week. Not exactly to the 50%, little above of the 50%, little above, maybe until this rejection block. Let me mark the rejection block. See this rejection block? Let me mark and put it here. Until this rejection block, I'm going to hold my trade after taking the partial from there, because this is the most logical level. It should reach at least until that area. So after taking the partial, I'll put my stop loss to the break even here, just below that parallel gap. That is my stop loss. I got stopped out, no worries. I'm not going to cry. But if I don't get stopped out, market is going to reach at least until this rejection block. So I'm going to hold it. Let me show you this setup. So from there, where is going to be a stop loss? Just above that inversion parallel gap, maybe one tick above that inversion parallel gap. To until that area here, this should be the partial. I don't care what you are thinking, what you know about the price action. I don't know. You have to take the partial to this constant enforcement. If you don't take the partial, you are gambling. Here my stop loss is at the break even now. Just let me put the stop loss to the break even. Yeah, here if I get stopped out, perfect. You see, I got stopped out after taking the partial. I got stopped out, perfect. No worries. I'm not going to cry. I will start to look for another opportunity to look for buy or sell. What you are looking for right now? Obviously buy, not looking for sell. Why you are looking for buy? Because market has unfinished business over there. See this parallel gap? It has an unfinished business here. It should trade that parallel gap. What else you are looking for? Look at this. Oh, where is it? This candle, this up close body clock. Okay, it's not the propulsion clock. Did it? No, it's not the propulsion clock. No, I'm sorry, not that propulsion clock. I will look for that constant enforcement of that parallel gap. Are you going to push a button from the top of this parallel gap? Absolutely not. What you are looking for? Here I am waiting for just a parallel gap. The thing I told here in 15-minute chart. If I don't get that parallel gap, and if it can close below this rejection block, I will start to look for sell over there again. How far? This far. Now I'm not going to hold it until that area. In the meantime, I'll close my trade in every specific way. Wherever I'll get opportunity, I'll take the partial over here. Right now, this constant enforcement is my next target. Are you going to push a button over there? Absolutely not. All I need just a bullish parallel gap. Just a bullish parallel gap. After market structure shift? Absolutely not. After fast parallel gap? Absolutely not. Nothing. This is all called price action. When you learn this price action, man, you are going to do this. You are not going to cry if you miss the runner. Okay, because trading is too easy. All you have to do is you have to understand reaction versus reversal. My members, I have already made a video about reaction versus reversal. Over there I explained little bit, okay, not everything. In my public channel there is also a video about reaction versus reversal. Watch them. Learn reaction versus reversal. You will be able at least 15 to 20 handle lot of time, but not now. At the beginning you will wait for the perfect setup or perfect thing, the way I'm telling you to read the price action at the beginning. In time it is coming into you without forcing yourself. It is coming to you, okay, without forcing yourself, but it will take little time. You have to wait for that. Okay. Asian is okay. Data just okay. I'll block AFX. Okay, please block the AFX. Block him, Mr. Ali. should be blocked. Okay. So I'll leave. I'll be up. Okay. Lol, Chito, I have a doubt. Now price closed below the 50-minute last parabolic gap, right? So now is it still valid to look for longs from 15-minute bullish parabolic gap is formed? Now market never closed below the 15-minute bullish parabolic gap. See this bullish parabolic gap? It never closed below the bullish parabolic gap. As it didn't close, still it didn't close below the bullish parabolic gap. Still I'm looking for buy, waiting for the buy setup. If it closed below this bullish parabolic gap, then this sell side liquidity is obvious. If it is broken from 15-minute chart, not the fake breakout, then this sell side liquidity is obvious. Until this parabolic gap is holding the price, fake breakout can happen. One candle will close below this parabolic gap, next candle will close inside this parabolic gap again. Fake breakout can happen. After, if it is the fake breakout, then market give me another buying opportunity. I will go for that buy. Selling for selling, I have to wait for this parabolic gap is broken. I am not interested to look for sell because that is called chasing the price. This price action is not expected from Tuesday. See this fall? It is not expected price action from Tuesday. So I'm not interested to look for sell. 200k. Wow. Okay, brother. Thank you, brother. It's not huge. You know that. If you just do the copy trade, it's a very small money. It will take maximum 4 to 6 months. Maximum 4 to 6 months to earn that 200k. Not 4 months. 4 months is more than enough. I mean, 2 to 3 months. It will take 2 to 3 to 4 months. Yeah, something like that. Yes, we'll do. Thank you, brother. How about Canada? Have you ever been in Canada? No, I have been in Europe. Most of my countries are Europe. Outside Europe, I was in Malaysia, Singapore, Thailand, and I have never been in India. I tried 2 times for the Indian visa, but they didn't give me the Indian visa. So I never been in India, but I have a plan to visit over there. Then I have been in Turkey, Qatar, then Dubai. Where else? Uh, there was another country. Where was that? I don't remember the name of that country. Qatar, Dubai, Turkey. I don't remember the other country name. So outside of Europe, I went this type of area. Okay, I never been in Australia, New Zealand, or the USA, Canada. How we can get in touch? I'm a graphic designer and video editor, and I really want to be in your touch if you don't mind. I can't pay you for those, okay? So if you want to help me for any kind of thinking, like if you can help me, I'll be very happy because I'm not a YouTuber. I really don't know how to manage all of these YouTube things. If you want to help me, I'll be very happy. You can knock me through my Twitter, but I can't pay you. That's for sure. I'm a very poor guy. Tito, what the hell you said, man? All Asian boys I know like white girls. You're the first Asian don't like white girls. Yeah, Ryan, I really don't like, man. I want to learn from in your channel. Where do I begin? If you go to my, okay, I think Tamimi has provided the link. You please watch that video. You will understand how to study from my channel, not my channel, from our channel. Okay, even I don't bro. Okay, I got another company. Plug doesn't like also the white girl. Okay, block Tito. Don't block me. Oh man. What broker you use for trade on Nasdaq, bro? I was used to trade through Top Step. Then I have now the what to say, I mean my funded futures, though I don't trade anymore. But yeah, this platform is good to trade. If any of you love to trade, then you can use. My first recommendation is Apex because Apex has the opportunity to do the most number of account, like 20 numbers. I guess you can copy trade 20 account. That's why I love the Apex. Without copy trading, you can't gain something from trading. So you have to do the copy trade. And because of copy trading, Apex is the best option. If you look for the cheapest one right now, the my funded futures is the cheapest one, in my opinion. I don't recommend Top Step, to be honest. It's too expensive. Thanks, no problem. Membership will be okay. Do you watch cricket? I love cricket. I love cricket. Come to India, man. They didn't give me the visa. I tried 2 times, but they didn't give me the visa. Sure, man. This will be help for help. Okay, bro. Playing safe. He like all girls. Well, I don't use Twitter. Okay, then we have no other way to contact. I hope so. I guess it reached until where? Some random level. What is unfinished business? Mark the 50% of that bullish fair value gap. Sorry, bearish fair value gap. That is the unfinished business. What do you need to take that entry? Just a fair value gap. Just a fair value gap to reach until this 50%. Don't push the button. Uh, it's really important to understand that you are not going to push the button. What else do you say over there? Inversion fair value gap. If there is any kind of inversion fair value gap, I'll go for that. What else do you see? Breaker block. Low, high, lower low. The highest up close body close candle is my breaker block. Tap to this breaker block until this comes in and cosmic. Lot of things you have over there. Okay, I had top step. Yep, I also. Okay, guys. Anybody has any question? And thank you so much, JD Capital, for counting the subscriber. You can. Yesterday, I remember that you are asking that you need 100. I need 132 people for. I need 132 people just for what is I mean. For 200. Sorry, 8,000 subscriber. Now you are asking that I just need a 68 people. Okay, so Sachin, you have 5 years, man. In my description I have the 5 years as well, so use my link. Okay. I'm just kidding. I mean, I'm just kidding, because I was thinking about the, I mean, I have the link actually about the 5 years. If anyone want to use that link, I'll be very happy if you use anything from me. Okay. I got a stood out. Astro Plus was so good over there. Why I just put it little above? I shouldn't put it over there. It's okay. Let me check that one. I thought one time I thought it, man. My tight stop loss always punish me. I'm not always, but most of the time it punished me. But lot of the time it helps me to to avoid the huge losing trade. That's why that was perfect. But I was thinking that should I put it just below this breaker block? I didn't give the area for the mohawk. This is called the mohawk. I give it the area for the mohawk. That's why I covered it until this volume imbalance over there. See this volume balance over here. This mohawk can reach until this volume balance. That is logical to reach until that area, but still, that was a tight stop loss or something like that. Even if it is not good idea to trade inside the lunch hour, the best bad idea is to trade the lunch hour. Never ever trade the lunch hour. When I will learn this thing, here I'll wait for the inversion fair gap actually. For example, I got a straight over here. What I will do when the candle will close above this fair gap, I'll take a re-entry to this fair gap. Re-entry to this fair gap. It just need to close above this fair gap. It doesn't need to come back again to this fair gap. It has to trade closed above this fair gap. I'll take a re-entry over there and I'll put my stop loss below this, maybe below that those lows or something like that. if I get stopped out around that area. This type of situation, I actually do that, wait for that things and then take the buy until this consonant crossment. It closed over there, I'm already in the market, but whatever. Let him go. Please don't focus on this any trade around that area. This is the lunch hour. Lunch hour is the one of the difficult area to trade. So please don't push the button around that area. And don't put the tight stop loss the way I put the tight stop loss. But I love to put the tight stop loss. I don't know why. Man, I'm don't copy man. I mean, right now you have no way to copy the trade because I can be wrong. Everything can be happen around this lunch hour. So night. I'm seeing a lot of things around that area actually. So when I'm talking at the same time, I'm watching a lot of things around that area. Is that a possibility to go for that buy, or is it that possibility for looking for a sell over there? How you should observe this parabolic gap? How should observe this breaker? Here, this is not a perfect breaker block. What is the perfect breaker block? Go to my YouTube channel and look for the perfect breaker block. My breaker block, the way I look for the breaker block, it gives me 95% winning rate. The logic is after taking the liquidity market structure shift fair value gap, after trading the fair value gap, market has to trade the order block. After trading the order block, it has to come back again to the main threshold of that order block. Then it is going to leave the area open, unfilled area. There should be an unfilled area. Then market has to leave the buy side liquidity. After leaving that buy side liquidity, market has to come back again to fill that unfilled fair value gap. After trading that unfilled fair value gap, market is going to make that low high lower low. Then market will shift over the high of that up close body close candle. It will tap to this body close candle, it will take that buy side liquidity. That is my perfect breaker block, which is going to give me 95% winning rate. Don't believe me? I can prove it again and again. That is my breaker block. Oh man, awesome. Look at this price action here. Look at this price action here. Do you want to trade in this area? Go for that. I'm not interested. This is not a good price action after the holiday. It is the worst price action. I will start to look for the trade after 1 p.m. from today until tomorrow's morning session. Then I'm done. Otherwise, I'm not interested to trade. Why I keep telling you that please don't look for the trade around this morning session. Do you get that idea? Yeah, there was a sell, but obviously there was no opportunity to catch that sell. When market make this lot of things around that, do you think this is the perfect price action? This is the sideways candle. We just trade the consolidation, nothing else. We just trade the consolidation. Do you really think this is a perfect area to trade? Absolutely not. This is not a good idea to trade around that area. So after the holiday, this whole price action is bullshit. Go back and trade by yourself. Catch that sell and tell me that, brother, I did it. Nobody can tell me that. If you put your stop loss for 50 to 100 handle, yeah, it is possible. Otherwise, it's not possible to trade in this area. Always after the holiday, the morning session is always difficult to trade. Always, okay? To wrapped again. Okay. Where are you from? Skitterets, where are you from? Skitterets. That's awesome. I'm from Hyderabad, brother. Oh, okay, you're from Hyderabad. That's cool, man. Can we have any good trade on PM session? I hope so, brother. The PM session is the best area to trade. I hope so. The PM session, you will be able to trade this market. That is my expectation. We'll see. Okay, guys, thanks for joining today's live. If anybody failed to, I mean, forget to give me the likes, don't forget to give me the likes. Push the like button, push the subscription button if you are new to my channel. Until the next video, cheers.